Alexa, thank you, stop.
I love music. It invigorates me. It makes me feel good. It helps me power through whatever I have to do. Today we're talking about simple plans, and this is something that I do that helps me have a simple plan to get my work done quickly. You know, I talked to you in my previous video about how short of a time it takes to do things, but today we're going to talk about having simpler plans. In the past, I've had fly babies that I mentored personally who made such a complex mess out of this simple plan. And I hope you're not doing the same thing. Planning the Flylady system is very simple. It doesn't require a family meeting because you're going to make your children do some things with your husband. It doesn't require his approval because you're not doing anything that requires approval. There's nothing shocking about having your children do things in the home. It doesn't require you to write out every single solitary step of what you're going to do. It doesn't. It's very simple to do the Flylady system. You just do it, as the old Nike advertisement used to say. Just do it. You just do it. And I do believe that you have to plan if it's not something that you do naturally, and that's okay because that's simple too. Planning it in your journal is simple. You say, I'm getting up at 7. I'm doing my morning routine at 7. Okay, so you put morning routine 7. 7:30, children's routine. 8 o'clock, walk the dog or whatever it is you need to do, or go to work. 9 o'clock if you're at home, or 8:30 if you're at home. Run the washing machine and go through an inch of paper. 9:15, because it doesn't take long to do that. 9:15, begin basic weekly plan and name what it is, right? Name what it is. If it is car and purse day, put it in there. If it's errand day, put it in there. If it's desk day, you know what those things mean. You don't have to say, it's desk day. I must do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. You don't have to do that. Now, if you have ideas in your head that are bouncing around, that's when you get out your spiral notebook and get those on paper so they'll quit bothering you. And then you can make sure those are done by prioritizing them. But that's not a plan, that's just a mind dump, okay? And that's a simple thing as well. It's very simple to put down things that are in your head. So don't make doing the Flylady system harder than it needs to be. It's not hard. You know, I tell you all the time, it's not hard, it's simple, you can do it quickly. And people, you know, I've talked before about people saying, well, you say do it quickly, but then you say take your time and enjoy the process. Well, it's a balance. It's a balance. If you have it all written down in a simple plan, and you know how to say, I see you and I have a plan for you for those things that you're not doing today, and you are making sure that your family is picking up their clutter by being the happy cop in your house at least 3 times a day, then it's going to be simple. And at some point, you're not going to have clutter. And you're going to be able to see the corners and see the walls and see under your bed and see what's in your drawers. And everything will be simple. And you'll be able to embrace the process. Embracing what you do. So my whole point of this video is to make it simple. So a simple plan for you is also a simple plan for your family. When you have children, I have seen people give them such complex things to do. None of them are hard, right? But it's all written down and it seems overwhelming to a child when you say, put your shoes in the closet, make your bed, wipe the sink, put up the towel, you know, and you've got all the little single parts to it written down on one page. That is overwhelming to a child. That's not a simple plan. But if you say, do your morning routine, and then maybe in the bathroom, you've got what's in their morning routine. Wash face, brush teeth, wipe sink, hang up towel, put clothes in the dirty clothes, get dressed, and make bed. Okay, so you put those in there. Those aren't hard things to do. You might want to say on their to-do list, make your bed and then do your morning routine, just to take that off. So in the bathroom, it's wash your face and brush your teeth. That can be one line. Wipe the toothpaste out of the sink and hang up your towel. That's another line. Put your PJs in the dirty clothes or whatever you want them to do and get dressed. So it's 4 steps. It's simple. It's the same thing as if you wrote it all out, but it just doesn't overwhelm them. And the same with you. I don't want you overwhelmed. You know what a morning routine is. So you can say, do morning routine in your journal. If you don't know what it is, make yourself a little list like that. A lot of people in the beginning put their lists in glassines, which is what we used to call them at work in the olden days, and page protectors, and they use a dry erase marker to mark it off, and at the end they wipe it off and it's clean for the next day. You can do that in your kitchen, you can do that in your bathroom, you can do that in your bedroom, you can do it for your children's bedrooms, but just don't make it too complex. Simple plans are the best. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to make them below. And always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful. Bye.